all right. Welcome back, my regular viewers, listeners, and watchers. And of course, if you happen to be here for the very first time, welcome. Before I go any further, my name is Rahul George, India's premier eye hypnosis life healer coach and your personal guide. Of course, for all of you tuning in to our special eye hypnosis life coaching journeys, you know that this podcast has been created and curated for you, especially if you are a coach, a healer, or a seeker. And we know what it is to be a coach, to be a healer, and even a seeker for that matter. And it's so important for us to stay in a space where we're able to connect with like minded people and also to be able to connect to that inspiration, because you and I know how easy it is to forget why we are here and why we've been given our special purpose, our special mission. So every week we make it a point to find truly amazing guests, people who are healers and coaches in their own right, and they're doing some amazing work. They've already been on the journey now for a point in time where they know it's all about giving back, it's all about serving. So in typical fashion, let's put our hands together and welcome our guest, Tripti Agarwal. Of course, Tripti, this is your cue. You can go ahead and turn on your camera. Good to have you here. And thank you for making the time to be with us. Welcome.
Thank you, Rahul. Before getting
Nice.
started, can I ask you to ask everyone, in fact, just take 3 deep breaths in, close your eyes. Thank you. This activity was you to be in the present moment and for everybody. So
Right.
that
So,
get the maximum benefit of this podcast.
absolutely. Having said that, let's start to get into really the power of this podcast. And this is something that we always do. We make it a point to, firstly, of course, to check in with you. And secondly, the intention, of course, is to get to know you better. Because, like I said, your story is meant to be heard and be seen by as many people so that they are reminded as to why did they get into this in the first place. So maybe we'll start at the top, Tripti. When someone asks you today, so Tripti, what do you do? What do you tell them today?
Hi, I'm Tripti Agarwal. I'm a certified life coach and a certified tarot reader. What I do today is commendable because I help women reconnect themselves with their true joy, inner self, and with themselves, loving themselves unconditionally. इस लाइफ में होता है कि स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, प्रेशर हमें एकदम खत्म कर देता है। हम खुद
बिल्कुल।
भूल जाते हैं। जिंदगी एकदम बोझ हो जाती है। So that is where I help people to connect themselves with their light, their worth, their joy, to life coaching, to tarot reading. I
Beautiful.
create spaces where women feel safe, they can pause, they can breathe, and they can means feel come back. Someone to who is guiding them, listening them, not judging. So this is what
Right.
I do. And my sessions are not about fixing anyone because you cannot fix anyone. It is you who train yourself, who uplift yourself. Fixing वो टूटी हुई चीज नहीं है कि हम आए हमने फेविग्लू लगा दिया और उसको जोड़ दिया नहीं
बिल्कुल।
वो चीज पॉसिबल नहीं होती है यू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ
राइट।
जो अंदरूनी लेयर्स होती हैं तो परत हमारी जो खराब हो गई तो देते हैं जैसे कि घाव लगा है कोई चोट लगी है तो उसको हम फर्स्ट एड
करेक्ट।
देते हैं बस ये वही चीज है फिर आप अंदर ही अंदर रिवाइव करने लगते हैं आप
बिल्कुल।
जानने लगते हैं आप समझने लगते हैं कि हाँ मैं भी जिंदा हूँ मैं जिंदा हूँ यू फील
हाँ,
अलाइव
हाँ।
एंड व्हेन अ वुमन लर्न्स टू लव हरसेल्फ deeply, unconditionally, she begins to radiate the energy of healing and you won't believe कि इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है आपकी एनवायरनमेंट बहुत पॉजिटिव हो जाती है रिलेशनशिप्स बड़े पॉजिटिव हो जाते हैं एकदम मंदिर जैसा हो जाता है दैट्स द
Right.
पावर
Beautiful.
द वुमन कैरीज
Again, what you said, सुनने में, and especially आज के ज़माने में, we all know this, AI तो नॉर्मल, राइट? स्पेशली जब हम लोग हीलर्स है, कोचेस है, कहने का यही मतलब है कि आज के ज़माने में शब्दों की कमी नहीं है। देयर इज़ क्या बोलते हैं, अबंडेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स, राइट? बट The difference is the experience. So just the way you started to flow and you started to connect into who you are, I know that did not happen overnight. And the purpose of us being here is to remind people कि आप जो हो आज एक क्षण में नहीं, it has been through a series of, you can call them milestones, you can call them mini journeys, भी आप उसको, but the truth is कि ये आपका तजुर्बा है. This is your experience that you have had over several, of course, lifetimes, but in this context, over several years. So maybe this is that perfect opportunity for us to travel like angels on your shoulder as you take us back in time to ये आपका story कहाँ शुरू हुआ? Like, the way you talk about what you do today, it is not like a 9 to 5 job. I'm sure you agree. राइट? तो वो कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज कि ठीक है, मैं कुछ और कर रही थी लेकिन अब वक्त आ चुका है टू स्टार्ट टू मेक दैट शिफ्ट? सो बेसिकली लेट टेक अस बैक इन टाइम कि आपका वो ओरिजिन, जैसे दे ऑल्सो कॉल इट द ओरिजिन स्टोरी. आप सुपर हीरो हो तो आपका ओरिजिन स्टोरी तो आपका वो कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? वॉक अस थ्रू दैट.
थैंक यू राहुल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू अपोलोजाइज अगर कुछ बैकग्राउंड में आवाजें आ जाए बिकॉज इट्स दिवाली
कोई दिक्कत नहीं,
एंड देयर सम
कोई
केक
दिक्कत नहीं.
गोइंग ऑन नियर बाय. So yes, my journey didn't start with confidence, with
हम्म.
pleasure, with joy or clarity. It
हम्म.
basically started with pain. There was a time in my life when I was full of responsibilities,
हम्म.
chores, and I became a people pleaser. And
हम्म.
people started taking me for granted, though I allowed them to do that. Because I forgot कि मैं भी कुछ हूँ और मुझे अपने लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. No
हम्म.
setting of boundaries, nothing. Means we had a
राइट.
very big joint family after the marriage, and I
हम्म.
was into it, constantly
राइट.
serving others and
हाँ.
everybody. And that
Mm,
literally gave me a feeling of hollowness and emptiness.
right.
In 2022, when my mother-in-law died, well, she was very close to me. I became very shattered. एक अकेला, though that
हुँ,
was a joint
हुँ,
family, but एक उनसे बड़ा खास bond था because
बिल्कुल,
she was a cancer patient and heart patient, diabetic, and it was me who had been taking care of her
राइट,
till 15 years of my marriage.
वॉव!
तो बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्शन में
हुँ,
और पेन से इतना वास्ता हो गया था कि
हुँ,
आप समझ नहीं सकते हैं कि
हुँ,
मतलब मेरे लिए वो सब एकदम नॉर्मल हो गया था और मुझे इतना उनके लिए वो रखता था कि मैं जो कर पाऊँ, तो हमारी
हुँ,
एक अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हो.
हुँ,
My husband is a businessman, तो वो अपने उसमें रहते थे. And in January, he just passed away. She just passed away.
हुँ,
उसके बाद I went into the depression for some time. Then she passed away in January. मैंने बोलना, बात करना,
हुँ,
वो सेलिब्रेट करना, वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए एक फॉर्मेलिटी सी हो गया.
राइट,
She passed away in front of my eyes. It was me who was beside her. Her hand was in my hand. And she was literally looking at me. Doctor was giving the CPR. My husband was out to take out the car. डॉक्टर ने बोला वेंटिलेटर पे.
हुँ,
एंड मैं सिर्फ इतना कह रही थी, डोंट गिव अप, मैं हूँ, मैं हूँ, मैं हूँ. आई वाज होल्डिंग हर हैंड एंड शी वाज लिटरली लुकिंग एट मी. नो, नो movement in the body, nothing, only that eyes. Nobody knows, I can't explain कि what those eyes had. इतना सारा कुछ. मैं रो भी नहीं पाई उनकी डेथ पे. आई एम द एल्डेस्ट. And my husband, he was very close to his mother क्योंकि हमने हमेशा ख्याल रखा. तो वो बहुत बहुत मुश्किल वक्त था कि my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, उसकी wife and my father-in-law. तो I couldn't even cry. Then the next morning, two women came to me and they said कि तुम रो लो, because they could see on my face. मुझे
हुँ,
रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा था कि इतना कुछ है और chaos है, मैं कैसे वो करूँ. फिर वहां से वो कभी निकला ही नहीं अंदर. एवरी फेस्टिवल मैं मिस करती थी. सो आते थे, कुछ था, बिकॉज़ सिंस 2 इयर्स व्हेन शी वाज़ स्ट्रगलिंग विद अ कैंसर, लिटरली वाइप किया उनकी बॉडी को. एंड दैट मतलब बहुत सारा जब बाल गिरते हैं, सारी चीज़ें, उस सब टाइम पे मैं उनके साथ थी. देन इन डिसेंबर आई वाज़ जस्ट सिटिंग एंड प्रेइंग टू गॉड कि मुझे मुझे कुछ रास्ता दे.
हुँ,
देन माय हीलिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट कि मुझे ऐसे ही फेसबुक पे स्क्रॉल कर रही थी तो एक हीलिंग एक एड आया, मैंने
हुँ,
स्क्रॉल कर दिया, बट 2 दिन बाद अगेन दैट एड पॉप्ड अप एंड आई सेड कि चलो मास्टर क्लास कर लो। दैट वाज़ द टाइम ऑफ डिसेंबर 2022। तो फ्रॉम देयर माय जर्नी स्टार्टेड एंड आई एंटर्ड देयर और मैंने एक क्लास की, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ को मैं कुछ अच्छा पा रही थी, सुन रहा था, प्यार मिल रहा था और एंड आई शेड सो मेनी टीयर्स एंड वो राइटिंग एंड आई कुड इवन टेल यू कि देयर वाज़ अ टाइम व्हेन माय मेंटर आस्क्ड मी टू मेक अ जॉय लिस्ट, आई हैड ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स इन दैट लिस्ट। पीपल वर राइटिंग 8 हो गए, 10 हो गए एंड आई वाज़ लाइक
हुँ,
मेरे तो 2 भी हुए, वो भी 2-3 मिनट सोचने के बाद। इमेजिन व्हाट
राइट।
काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम। एंड बट मैंने मेहनत करी। मैं रात में
हुँ,
3-4 बजे भी आई यूज्ड टू बिकॉज़ मेरे 2 बच्चे एंड
हुँ,
अचानक से आप एक होम मेकर से आपको वो
राइट,
एक्सेप्टेंस भी कम मिलता है कि
बिल्कुल,
आपको अपना पहले सारा चीज़
करेक्ट।
उसके बाद तो आई यूज्ड टू चूज़ द अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर्स हू वर कंफर्टेबल इन डूइंग द होमवर्क्स एट 5 एएम इन द मॉर्निंग।
हुँ,
4-4:30 आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप, अपना वो करना, बच्चों को
हुँ,
बनाना, भेजना, सारी चीज़ें हो गई फिनिश अप, देन आई यूज्ड टू सिट डाउन फॉर माय सेशंस टू टेक क्लास। So this is my journey from where I started.
that's beautiful, and thank you for really connecting to your heart
Thank you.
and for sharing it here because, um, it's not easy, but you did it. And I know that whoever has already heard you right now, and you know you believe in energy, that it's already, those ripples have already gone.
And I would like to add one incident more. That is
Mm,
more. In 2024, I was in Missouri. I went there with my son. उसका कुछ एग्जाम था। सब कुछ नॉर्मल था, मी एंड हिम। बहुत एंजॉय किया सारी चीजें। रात में
mm,
आई कुड फील कि मुझे फीवरिश हो रहा है। एंड इन द मॉर्निंग आई कुडंट ब्रीथ, आई कुडंट सिट, आई वाज गेटिंग अनकॉन्शियस। माय ओनली सन, 15-year-old son and me in the hotel. In the morning at 7 a.m. I said कि मैं मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा and immediately called up my husband. वहाँ से डॉक्टर कंसल्ट किया, they arranged the wheelchair and they consulted a doctor and he asked me what are the symptoms, क्या हो रहा है आपके
mm,
साथ। मैं
mm,
बोल ही नहीं पा रही थी। He understood the scene कि मुझे कुछ हार्ट का इशू हुआ है और उन्होंने तुरंत बोला कि आप देहरादून एम्स।
mm,
माय सन एंड इतना हेवी रेन हो रहा था, उन्होंने मेडिसिन लिखी। मॉर्निंग का 7 ओ क्लॉक
correct.
My husband, I could remember my son running here and there. वो किसी तरीके से 2 मेडिसिन अरेंज, थैंक्स टू द
Right.
होटल पीपल स्टाफ आल्सो कि उन्होंने ये
Mm,
मदद करी। रास्ते में आई कुडंट होल्ड माय सेल्फ। ड्राइवर, टैक्सी ड्राइवर क्योंकि ही वाज़ इन बोर्डिंग तो हमारा वो नोन था। ही वाज़ सिंपली सेइंग भाभी जी, भाभी जी, भाभी जी एंड
mm,
ही वाज़ रशिंग उस बारिश में भी। आई वाज़ रश्ड इन द आईसीयू। मैं वहाँ पे 1 दिन रही। इन द इवनिंग माय हस्बैंड केम। सब नॉर्मल हो गया। ये हुआ कि चलो इनको कल डिस्चार्ज कर देंगे, एक दिन ऑब्जर्व करके। एंड इन द इवनिंग आई वाज़ अबाउट टू डिस्चार्ज एंड इन द नाइट आई आई सडनली समथिंग हैपेंड और एकदम अनकॉन्शियस हो गई। देयर वाज़ नो
mm,
मूवमेंट इन माय बॉडी फॉर सम टाइम, नो मूवमेंट। डॉक्टर इवन गॉट पैनिक, माय सन स्टार्टेड क्राइंग बिकॉज़ वो सब कुछ कर रहे थे लेकिन मेरी बॉडी कुछ कुछ शो ही नहीं कर रही थी। एंड आई कुड ओनली फील माय सोल मूविंग आउट ऑफ माय बॉडी। I could see my son standing beside me and everybody was saying कि मतलब कुछ movement नहीं। I was shifted in MICU and I stayed there for 4 days. इतने serious patients के बीच में। That was the time in my life when I said कि no, I'm not gonna give up my life like this.
mm,
जिस चीज़ से उभरी हूँ, मुझे लोगों को वो मेरा पर्पस बन गया। MICU में I was there, I was looking at the people. I asked pen and paper to the doctor. He said, "For what?" मैंने कहा, "You give it to me." Because I was already in this journey and coaching certification and all I had
हाँ,
till that.
correct,
I just फ़ोन भी अलाउड नहीं था एमआईसीयू में। मैंने उनसे
correct.
कहा 10 मिनट के लिए, सिर्फ 10 मिनट के लिए। एंड मैंने होमवर्क जाना कि क्या-क्या होमवर्क मिला है, एक सेशन का ही अपनी फ्रेंड से। एंड आई सिंपली स्टार्टेड राइटिंग डाउन द पॉइंट्स एंड फॉर 1 आवर आई वाज़ कंटिन्यूअसली राइटिंग एंड आई सेंड दैट पिक्चर टू माय मेंटर आल्सो फ्रॉम द एमआईसीयू। एंड दैट डे आई प्रॉमिस कि आई एम नॉट गोना गिव अप माय लाइफ लाइक दिस। मैं एक ऑर्डिनरी इंसान के जैसे नहीं जाऊँगी। आई
That's
आई विल
right.
बिकम द लाइट टू द पीपल। जो अपनी लाइफ को समझते ही नहीं है कि वो ये सोचते हैं कि आए हैं चले जाएँगे। नहीं,
Correct.
गॉड हैज़ सेंट यू हियर टू डू समथिंग, टू लिव योर
That's
लाइफ।
right.
वेदर यू स्माइल, यू लाफ, आप
Mm,
बनो कुछ, लेकिन कर्म तो यही करने हैं ना कि आपको जीना है, मर के नहीं।
correct.
तो दिस इज़ इट कि व्हेन in 2024 everything shifted, and then I entered into the tarot, and that too happened coincidentally. She
Mm,
was my client, and,
okay.
and I came to know ki she is a tarot reader,
Right.
and I simply said ki do one reading for me, and she
Mm,
asked me the questions and I said, and उसने बिल्कुल बताया तो मुझे ये फील हुआ अरे तो मेरी कहानी मेरे घर में बैठी है क्या? And then I asked ki okay, I give you the counseling and after
mm,
some time you teach me the tarot, and she did, and I just, so she told me कि it was your calling,
mm,
बिकॉज़ कहाँ से बात शुरू हुई पता ही नहीं था, एंड शी हरसेल्फ इज़ अ टैरो रीडर एंड शी केम
true.
टू मी फॉर समथिंग,
Right.
सो आई थिंक आई वाज़ चोज़न फॉर दिस।
Yes. So true. Wow.
सो these are the two incidents really that
Amazing.
impacted my life।
So beautiful how, and with your permission, can I share a little bit? And it's like I told you, we live in the world of technology today where we are doing these things, but in some sense, we're also relying on technology, correct? So the good news is that the live streaming is not happening, if that is good news, okay? But this sharing is being recorded because the main call is being recorded, and then we will, high res, maybe we will be working on it, right? But the point why I'm asking your permission is for people who have heard you till now, they, you know, they will be amazed at the person that you truly are, in spite of the questions that you were asking me before we began. Do you see the connection now?
यस,
So, with your permission, I'll give them like a 20-second version of this where you were wondering, okay, how is it going to be? Do I need to have like a script? And usually my guests do not ask for a script, but you'd actually ask. Now, I'm saying all of this only because when they're hearing me say this, they'll realize how strong you really are,
थैंक यू।
how powerful you really are, right? And as I said, we thankfully we live in a world today where we don't have to be perfect, right?
राइट,
The more human we are, the more people are like, oh my God, you're me from the future.
राइट, राइट,
So when they're listening to you and they're listening to me, it's just a reminder to them that in their future, this will be their normal.
ओके,
What
थैंक
you're doing today, what you have discovered through all of your journeys and the things that you have done, all that was preparing you, right? And I know we've all been there. I still go there from time to time where we sometimes struggle with who we really are because we are so powerful that the human part of us is like, nahi yaar, ye to main nahi hu,
यू, ट्रू,
right?
राइट,
But just hearing your story and the way you have allowed yourself, you started with one story, which is something that you've been more familiar with talking about, but then something just spoke to you to speak out. And
या
you spoke
बिकॉज़
with so much of
कन्विक्शन,
heart. It's heart,
yeah, because I did my certification before that episode,
of
but
course.
the decision which I took in the hospital
Yes.
was that day only.
And this is why I'm bringing it up. And I say this over and over again. In our own community, I say this over and over again. Yes, it's useful to have certifications. It's important to learn anything that you're learning, right? You want to practice something, you want to learn it. So you know what it looks like and you can sort of spot the signs or the lakhan, so to speak, right? So, certifications are important. Whatever, whatever field we may choose,
Yes,
whether it's in the space of coaching or healing. Right? It could be completely one end of the spectrum or the other, but who's to decide what is what end? But what you just shared about your own life and your realizations, that is what makes the difference. Ads help, content helps, but that's not the story. Something had already prepared you to come here.
yes, because I know what went through with me that day and that night. Because I could literally feel my soul moving out of my body. Then again, when I came back, मैंने कहा नहीं, लाइफ मिली है तो ऐसे ही नहीं जाएगी।
Exactly. And that now, you're, living your day, because we usually have a short conversation, because a lot of times I'm meeting my guests for the first time. So I make it a point that we have a short conversation before. So you also know broadly, what are we going to talk about? But the rest is all absolutely being in the moment and being present, because that's what makes this truly your coaching journey, right?
Right.
And what you have been through is what coaches other people. Your journey actually is what is the coaching. I'm giving you like the inside scoop, that when you share your journey, that is what is coaching somebody else. And especially people like us who are coaches and healers. So, when you shared like this is really what makes all the difference,
Okay.
right?
I didn't prepare it. It does.
I
It
know.
just came randomly कि कैसे mother-in-law वाला भी it's very close to my heart. But
Correct.
I don't know कि ये कैसे ये
That's right.
incident आया. But thank you
And
so much for giving me
thank
that
you.
space. Maybe it's my healing and it's my birthday also today.
Oh,
So
yes. We will, in fact, you know what? Why? It's like kal kare so aaj kare so ab. So for those of you who are, watching this, even if you obviously will be watching this as a video and not a live stream. However, when you're watching this, it's like if they say like light a candle, like definitely keep that in your heart when you're hearing us, as I'm singing to you, Tripti. Wish you all the very, very best, and may this be your best year yet.
thank you
Because
so
as they say, this is क्या था वो पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, right?
yes.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Yeah, because I'll also say this is why I do what I do. And we've had some amazing guests, and today is no exception, which is a good thing, because what we're not doing it with a serious face, right? We're being human, we are being happy, we are being loving human beings. And because of that, the healing happens not only for us, but for people who are meant to be in our space, our community, wherever it is that we're going. So I'm just saying that, the other part is that abhi to party shuru hui hai. We are just getting started. So I really, truly wish you, and I'll say this now because I'm here in this space on behalf of everybody who's watching you and watching this at whatever point in time, on time, as a line. Could be later today, could be, maybe even years from now. And I wouldn't be surprised if somebody sends you a message saying, Tripti, you may not remember this, but what you said, that really spoke to me. And that has made all the difference in my life. So somehow I was able to find you. Of course, the links are there. We will talk about it towards the end, but the links are there for you to follow Tripti and come along with her on her journey. And in whatever way you feel called to, follow along and learn from Tripti, whatever, I'm sure you will be creating different programs and different ways to help people. So if, whoever you are, you feel, drawn to, please do reach out and not only follow along, but like Tripti, you yourself were saying, you were just scrolling, and that ad, even though, when we talk about Facebook ads, we all, especially as coaches and healers, we have like a mixed love-hate relationship, if you know what I mean. Uh, but those ads really do save lives. Right? And today I am reminded that those ads, to us as coaches, it sometimes may be repetitive, or ये तो मालूम है, or why am I seeing it, whatever. But sometimes we are not the intended target. It's people who are seekers, right? And we all started as seekers. So why am I saying all of this? Because it's your energy that I'm tapping into. Usually these pods are more about you sharing your story, but I just felt this was the appropriate moment to just pause and just thank you for, really truly receiving your energy and sharing it so openly with so much of vulnerability. So thank you so much.
Thank you. It's more over your impact also. Energy attracts energy.
Thank you.
Your comfort and जो आपका ऑरा है उससे भी बहुत कुछ मैजिकल होता है.
Thank you
That
for
is
saying
why,
that.
because yes, I was nervous मेरे तो, but you made me so comfortable कि I couldn't feel anything and I just became me. Who am I?
Yeah,
So
that's
thank you
right.
for that.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that. So now that we have together, and when I say we also, I'm also always talking about the third होते हैं. So the third wheel will always be the healer, the coach, so let's say it like this: the coach, the healer, and the seeker, right? So the seeker is those who haven't yet figured out कि हाँ हम coach बनने वाले हैं. They don't even know that. It's true, right? We've all been there. Healers and coaches होते हैं जो they're at different stages of their journey. So you've taken us so beautifully in and through your journey to this point. Maybe now we'll spend a little bit of time where you can share with us when you, like you said, you saw that ad for the first time and then you saw it again. This is 2022. What was that journey like? Meaning, you started to, I'm guessing, find courses. You said you attended one masterclass. And interestingly, you said 22. So by then, COVID had kind of sort of like rear view mirror ho chuka tha. We were like, acha, chut gaya abhi. Now we can sort of breathe a little bit, literally more and relax. And so, share with us what was that story between 22 and possibly even today when it comes to you becoming more of the person that you are today, meaning the healer, the coach, in terms of maybe the certifications that you found along the way. How did that happen? Like you mentioned briefly, finding your own. This is a very unique and powerful discovery that your own client eventually became your teacher as well. Such a beautiful connection. Walk us like sort of sequentially. 22 say when you attended that first session and the first masterclass, and then you started to learn more. What was that story like from 22 to say 24, maybe even a little bit of 25, and now towards the end of 25?
Yeah, absolutely. It was Pooja Puneet's which I came through. And then I joined her program Awakening. And then from Awakening, I went to Enlightenment, one level above. Then the second level coaching certification. And from there, I moved on to super specialization. During that time only, when I was practicing under her as a coach, then Amita Shirode, she became my client. And I could learn tarot reading from her. But I
Okay.
didn't stop over there because that was only. Then I
Correct.
came across an ad of Sonia Sharma 4-5 times.
Right.
That had been a very
Right.
मेरी लाइफ में एक पता नहीं कड़ी बन के आए हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो ये इनका आए तब तक मैं उनके एक जनरल कोर्स कर चुकी।
Right.
फिर उन्होंने मुझे उनका मैंने जब मास्टर क्लास किया टैराथन, दैट वाज़ ऑफ 2 days, आई रियलाइज्ड कि नो, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टुवर्ड्स रीडिंग। शी टोल्ड
Correct.
कि इट्स नॉट रीडिंग, you have to become tarot coach, in which she teaches inner child healing, no prediction. First of all, she said no prediction at all. And the beautiful manner she explained the card in a story manner कि इतने tools and techniques दिए. First we have to, I have submitted 4 assignments. When I submitted those 4 assignments, then only I was able to go to the next level. When she checked, she saw कि yes, I have some potential in me. And my intuitions are working. Because I club the cards, explain what am I feeling and all. And then I got tarot reader certificate from her. And then now I'm in the next level of tarot coach. That Empress course. And when I used to do tarot reading, I got ill for 15 days at least because energy थोड़ी strong नहीं हुई थी.
Very
Then
true.
one day I was talking to one of my friend. I was ऐसे ही कि मैं थोड़ा ठीक नहीं feel कर रही हूँ. He gave me the link of Ritu Pihani Agarwal, the energy coach. From there, I went into her community. In
Right.
this February 2025 only, I have joined. And इतना ज़्यादा एनर्जी में शिफ्ट हुआ है, यू कांट इमेजिन। हर एरिया में आई एम हैविंग विन्स, विन्स, विन्स। एंड तृप्ति अग्रवाल को अब वहाँ पे
Beautiful.
बहुत सब जानते हैं।
Beautiful.
इन एका मीन्स इन हेल्थ, इन रिलेशनशिप्स, करियर वाइज, एवरीवेयर, मतलब सब चीज।
Nice.
अब मैं बीमार नहीं पड़ती।
Right.
एनर्जी सो हाई कि मैंने जो अभी चैलेंज बनाया दिवाली पे, यू वोंट इमेजिन, माय मदर 65 प्लस, शी इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन इट।
Wow.
एंड वो भी मैंने कैसे किया, चीजों को हिंदी में कन्वर्ट। मैं ओनली कॉल्ड हर अप एंड सेड कि व्हाट्सएप भेजा है, आप देखो। उन्होंने
Very
कहा
nice.
हाँ ये तो ठीक लग रहा है। मैंने कहा तो आपको ग्रुप में ज्वाइन कर, आई विल गिव यू अ पर्सनल कॉल इन द मॉर्निंग, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, आपको करना
बिल्कुल, हाँ.
है। एंड टुडे शी इज डूइंग इट एंड शी इज लविंग
Wow.
इट।
Amazing. Such a beautiful
Whatever
gift.
was in my mother-in-law's eyes, because उन्होंने बहुत कुछ पेन तो इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ कोचिंग नहीं, इंसान को उसके इनर जॉय से कनेक्ट कराना, ये मेरा पर्पस और मिशन है। तो मेरी मेरी मदर है, मेरी उसमें भाभी भी जॉइंड है, एंड दे बोथ टॉक, आज ये एक्टिविटी आई है, करना है।
Mm,
सो आई सेड कि यही चाहिए था, दिस मीनिंगफुल कन्वर्सेशन। आई एडेड माय
beautiful.
सिस्टर आल्सो एंड आई आस्क्ड हर
Right.
टू कम्युनिकेट अबाउट द एक्टिविटी विद मम्मा,
हाँ,
सो दैट शी गेट some काइंड ऑफ
correct.
डिफरेंट रूटीन से हटके। So this is what exactly my
Wow,
feeling and my thinking is.
amazing. That's such a powerful story. I just love the way that you have, I'll just say it, the way you have freed yourself.
Yes, अगर मुझे कोई थॉट आता है 4 बजे भी,
Mm,
माय टैरो, वो मुझे सोने नहीं देते, मेरे
mm,
थॉट सोने नहीं देते हैं।
correct.
मैं 4 बजे, 3 बजे, माय हस्बैंड नोज़ इट, ही हैज़ सीन मी एंड सेइंग, "अरे ये क्या कर रही
Mm,
हो? चलो छत पे हो जाएगी।" बट वो जब आता रहता है, आई हैव नॉट डन एनी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दिवाली। मेरे बच्चों
correct.
के कपड़े भी नहीं आए हैं, कुछ नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज़ आई एम रनिंग दिस चैलेंज कि मुझे ये करना है, सो दैट इफ एनीबॉडी लाइट्स अप एनी दिया
Mm,
दिल से, दैट इज़ ओनली व्हाट दिवाली इज़ मेंट फॉर मी।
true.
23 members are there in my group. I'm not charging
हाँ,
for it. And
हाँ,
I have made a bonus of tarot reading also. Because मैं
mm,
चाहती हूँ कि कोई एक पर्सनल एक क्वेश्चन लेके आए, उसका गाइडेंस लें,
हाँ,
सो दैट इन दिवाली दे आर क्लटर
right.
फ्री। मीन्स घर की
Nice.
सफाई से ही मतलब नहीं है, माइंड की सफाई से भी मतलब है।
Mm,
एंड पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग सो मच कि मैंने एक वीडियो भी डाल दिया था कि आई एम गोना रिमूव हु आर नॉट एक्टिव एट
right,
ऑल।
right.
एंड आई हैव रिमूव 3 मेंबर्स।
Very good.
I have learned how to set boundaries and
Mm,
honor them. After that, members starting
amazing.
morning,
Right.
evening activity, morning, evening activity. तो ये किसका भला हो रहा है? उन्हीं का भला हो रहा है। और आज वो इतना खुश फील एंड व्हाटएवर कमिंग, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में आता रहता है, जैसे मैंने कल भी क्विक मेडिटेशन रिकॉर्ड किया, भेज दिया।
Mm,
शाम की एक्टिविटी चेंज कर दिया। आज ड्रेसिंग अप का है, वुमेन लव टू ड्रेस अप, वो करो।
mm, mm,
तो सेल्फी किसी से
correct.
खिंचवाना नहीं।
Mm,
होगा, यू विल बी एबल टू सी योरसेल्फ इन द मिरर।
correct,
पे थोड़ी-सी निगाह,
correct.
but that is only I want people to
Beautiful.
connect with themselves
Amazing.
because I
Wow.
have learned I am alive.
Mm-hmm.
मैं इसी पे जीती हूँ क्योंकि मैं जिस जिस उस एपिसोड से वापस आई तो
You truly are alive,
यस, दैट्स
right?
व्हाट आई फील कि आई एम अलाइव एंड आई हैव मेड अ टैगलाइन आल्सो, मी अमोंग,
Mm,
दैट
mm.
मीन्स आई लव माय सेल्फ।
Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. I
थैंक यू।
love this. I love this. We've really covered a lot and in such a poetic way. I mean, it's like I said, that the reason why this pod exists right now, you're reminding me once more, right? We are very, very blessed that literally we are recording episode number 92. And just listening to you, hearing your story and the energy, the emotion with which that you've tapped into and that you're sharing, like that is why every time it's it's new and yet we're doing, it's not the first time, right? So it's like it's so beautiful. So yeah, I mean, seriously, thank you, Tripti, for just being yourself, allowing yourself to be yourself. And like I said, a lot of times this is actually the lesson. When people are watching you, are unconsciously they're modeling you. जैसे वो पुराना, जब मैं बड़ा होऊंगा मैं वो बनूंगा, and we would model on whoever it was, whether it was a parent or maybe a teacher or a relative or whoever, right? Like whoever we saw as role models when we were really young. This is a beautiful example of that, where you've shown people why we do what we do, why you do what you do, and not just you, but it's like why we or why they were in the first place given this realization that this is your message, this is your mission. Sometimes feels very heavy, so it's like this is your purpose, this is why you're here. फिर उसका साकार होना is the journey,
यस,
right? Now maybe you feel you have done a certain percentage, somebody else will be like, oh, I've only done 5%. So what? The point is you've begun. Moments like this, when they're hearing you, it will remind them that they're exactly where they're meant to, and that it only gets better with time.
डेफिनेटली बिकॉज़ आई इन माय चैलेंज आई एम ओनली सेइंग एक एक्टिविटी कर लो,
Mm,
कुछ भी कर।
mm,
My mother, she does not even know how to click the picture. एंड यस्टरडे व्हेन शी सेंड मी द पिक्चर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, मैंने पूछा किससे खिंचवाया था? उन्होंने कहा अपने
हाँ,
पोते से। फर्स्ट
हाँ,
ऑफ ऑल, इट वाज सच अ गोल्डन मोमेंट फॉर मी, माय मदर राइटिंग द ग्रैटिट्यूड, सेंडिंग इट टू मी। देन आई आस्क्ड कि इसको ऐसे चेंज करिए और खुद से
हुँ,
क्लिक कर।
वाओ!
उन्होंने थोड़ा-सा वो जैसे भी दिया, बट आई वाज हैप्पी। आई वाज सो
राइट,
हैप्पी कि देखिए, दुनिया में बहुत बड़ा बनना वो अलग है,
हुँ,
पर मैंने हमेशा एक ही चीज़ को, जैसे मेरी फ्रेंड्स भी कहती है कि यू आर वेरी, आई एम नॉट इनटू माय सेल्फ।
हुँ,
मैंने आपसे उस दिन भी शेयर किया था कि जब मेरे घर में ही कचरा है तो मैं बाहर
करेक्ट,
सफाई करके क्या करूँगी? वो
करेक्ट,
हो जाएगी, पर घर में कैसे रहूँगी? तो इफ माय मदर शी इज़ फीलिंग दैट जॉय एंड दैट पीस, माय
हुँ,
सिस्टर, मेरे आस-पड़ोस की मेरी फ्रेंड्स, और जिन्होंने भी लिंक देख के, मतलब मेरी रील देख के
हुँ,
मैंने लिंक शेयर किया था, वो आए हैं।
हुँ,
वो
हुँ,
छोटी-छोटी एक्टिविटीज़, सबसे बड़ी बात है मेरी मम्मी जिन्होंने मुझे मुझे इतनी एजुकेशन दी थी, और आज अगर मैं उनकी खुशी का कुछ हिस्सा बन रही हूँ,
करेक्ट,
फिर
ट्रू,
ये बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है। एंड एट द एज ऑफ मोर देन 65, मतलब शी इज़ 65 प्लस, तो बस मेरी इतना सही है। आगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप तो वो बढ़ाएगा ही।
हुँ,
जब आस-पास का एनवायरनमेंट भी इतना अच्छा हो जाएगा, दैट इज़ वन। अभी आपकी उससे पहले ही सुबह से विशेज़ इतने आ रहे हैं, तो मेरी अभी सिस्टर इन लॉ ने बोला, "आज क्यों?" मैंने कहा, "दीदी आज ही तो दिन है, टुडे इज़ माय
करेक्ट,
बर्थडे, अ न्यू बिगिनिंग फॉर मी।" इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है?
ट्रू,
एंड आई एम गोना सेलिब्रेट इट इन द इवनिंग आल्सो।
अमेजिंग,
द फर्स्ट टाइम
राइट,
आई एम सेलिब्रेटिंग माय बर्थडे, बचपन में बट
हुँ,
टुडे इट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट एवर टाइम आई एम throwing a birthday party organized by
अमेजिंग,
my husband.
वाओ!
So this
वाओ!
what life gives you in return.
Correct, correct. Amazing. So, speaking of birthdays, this is that segment where I'd love for you to share. We've through stories, you've given us a sense of who you are and what you do. Now, kind of like the right brain, left brain wala jo hum log bolte hain. Now, maybe if you could tell us, like, say for example, do you have a community? It sounds like you already do. So in that, what typically happens? So it's like I call it like sort of like the fly on the wall, right? Ki for someone watching and listening to you, there's probably that curiosity. Okay, so if I had to join your community, what all happens? Right? Monday को क्या होता है या हर हफ्ते या हर महीने? What are some of these things that they can look forward to? Because that will also help them. One is it'll help them learn, and two, because this is also part of why we do what we do here, which is whoever's meant to receive this message as a way of them unconsciously inviting themselves to your community. You're basically telling them कि हाँ, हमारे कम्युनिटी में होता है, मंडे को ये होता है, जैसे हमारे कम्युनिटी में मंडे फ्राइडे को हम लोग मिलते हैं लाइव. So like that, what are some of the what are some of the touch points, if you want to call it, or what are some of the things that you do? Walk us through that. And once you've finished that, tell us a little bit about maybe what's a current program that you're running,
Okay.
because people can find you and, at least it'll give them a sense of what they can look forward to being with you.
Monday we meet. I design the activities. I
Hmm.
don't ask for heavy things.
हाँ.
I simply ask them to be themselves. जैसे कि
Hmm.
आपने क्या किया, आपने आजकल जब दिवाली का चल रहा है, आपने एक जो है दिए को ही लाइट कर लिया। एंड
Hmm.
यू थिंक दैट दिया की एनर्जी आपके अंदर आ रही है। यू आर एब्सॉर्बिंग द
Correct.
एनर्जी ऑफ दिया। नहीं करना है,
Hmm.
कुछ करना ही नहीं है। यू जस्ट सिंपली
Hmm.
सी द दिया एंड जस्ट थिंक कि उसकी एनर्जी आपके अंदर आ रही है।
Hmm.
देन अगेन वन स्टेप अहेड, इंसान के अंदर बहुत हलचल हुई, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई, किसी ने बोला नहीं बैठ पा रहे हैं, कुछ हो रहा है,
हाँ.
फिर इतनी ख्याल
Correct.
आ रहा है। आई सिंपली सेड गो विद द फ्लो।
Hmm.
आएँगे, यू आर नॉट अ बुद्धा,
Hmm.
आएँगे।
Hmm.
बस ब्रेक द आइस। जो इतना सारा वो मचा रखा है, आप पहले अपने अंदर की फीलिंग्स, थॉट्स और उन
Hmm.
सबको हिलने दो, बहुत हिलने
हाँ.
दो। देन
Correct.
वन स्टेप अहेड, उसके बाद आई टेक देम टू द विजुअलाइज़ेशन।
Hmm.
व्हाट विजुअलाइज़ेशन डू, के माइंड को पूरा काम कर देता है, कि थॉट्स को सटल कर देता है।
Hmm.
आपका अपने से कनेक्शन, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं नहीं करती अभी। इनिशियल
Hmm.
स्टेज पे इंसान को इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं होती है,
Correct.
उसको पहले ग्राउंडिंग की ज़रूरत है।
Hmm.
ग्राउंड कराइए आप, तो मैं यही
Hmm.
कराती हूँ। उसके बाद आई आस्क देम टू स्टार्ट विद द जॉय लिस्ट। किसी को
Hmm.
डिफिकल्टी हो रही है, आई रिवर्स, स्टार्ट विद द ग्रैटिट्यूड।
Hmm.
1 आए, 2 आए, 3 आए, जैसे आई एक्सप्लेन टू माय मदर, शी गेव मी द 4। घर है, साइड इनकम है, पोते हैं,
Hmm.
भगवान का सहारा है, जो सहारा याद
Correct.
ही नहीं था,
Well,
याद आ गया कि सहारा है। Gratitude. Now what gratitude is doing, that is making you reflect whatever you have.
hmm.
आपके पास आया कुछ,
Hmm.
आप थोड़ा कंटेंट
Hmm. Correct. True.
then the affirmations.
Hmm.
After the affirmations, one dance party, then one
Hmm.
activity. You just come
Hmm.
online and sit
Hmm.
idle.
Right.
Sit idle, don't do anything, and see what
Hmm.
thoughts are coming in your mind. Journal it.
Hmm.
कुछ भी लिखो, मैं नहीं पढ़ रही, आपके थॉट्स हैं, आप लिख रहे हैं, जो आ रहा है, कोई नहीं देख रहा। क्लोज द कॉपी। इन द नाइट ओपन दैट रजिस्टर, सी क्या आया था। अभी आप अपनी फीलिंग चेक, वैसी है कि चेंज हो गई है? चेंज हो गई है, देन आई गिव देम अ क्विक मेडिटेशन, वो कीजिए। वाटर मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक, आई
Hmm.
टीच देम टू डू दी
Hmm.
एवरी नाइट। आपने ये किया, आपने प्रे किया, आप सो गए।
Hmm.
ये मेरी चीज है, एंड यू कीप ऑन डूइंग
When
इट।
they enter, basically, this is what you have shared with us that typically will happen. From there on, you have more processes, and as you said, grounding के बाद deeper level पे जैसे जैसे उनका टाइम आ रहा है.
Then I coaching tools and techniques. I have a clarity call with them of 30 minutes.
Hmm.
Then I
Hmm.
मतलब do the structure कि मैं कैसा कोड
Hmm.
बनाऊँ सबके सबके
हाँ.
रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब। तो
Correct.
ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये आप एक कम्युनिटी में सबको ये चीज़ मिल, उनको एक
Correct.
ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग हो गई आपकी।
हाँ.
अब उसके
True.
बाद दे गेट ओपन, वो ओपन हो मतलब वो थोड़ा-सा तो एनर्जी,
Correct.
फिर वो ओपनली आपके पे ट्रस्ट करके आपको सरेंडर कर देते हैं। वहाँ से मतलब किसी के 4 वीक्स का चलता है। पर
Hmm.
वीक आई टेक 1 लाइव सेशन,
Hmm.
फॉलो अप 1 हो गया, देन द होमवर्क यू प्रैक्टिस दिस, फिर द नेक्स्ट
Hmm.
वीक अगेन द सेकंड
Right.
मोडालिटी। एंड
Hmm.
टैरो का तो चलता ही रहता है कि यू कम एंड
Hmm.
मतलब आप क्वेश्चंस पूछो और उसके गाइडेंस। तो दिस इज व्हाट आई डू,
Right.
एंड
Got
विद इन
it.
4 टू 5 वीक्स पीपल
Hmm.
गेट रिलीव्ड, क्योंकि मैं उनको लिखवाती बहुत,
Hmm.
जर्नल अ
Right.
लॉट, बिकॉज़ इट
Hmm.
विल बी विद यू फॉर द होल लाइफ।
Right.
को कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्यों आपको किसी पे डिपेंडेंट होना? आप अपनी
Hmm.
करो, आप उसको लिख लो, कभी आपको लगा, आपने देखा,
हाँ.
भी आप कहीं अटक रहे हो, आई एम
हाँ.
ऑलवेज़ देयर। यू कम एंड
Correct.
हैव टॉक विथ मी, हम तो
Right.
कुछ और।
Hmm. Correct. हाँ. Hmm. Nice. Right. Beautiful. Amazing. Before we go to the final chapter for now, on this pod, there are, of course, going to be many, many more chapters आगे जाके. But for now, if there is maybe a program or a masterclass or something that you're currently either intending to create or to roll out, or maybe you've already rolled it out, can you walk us a little bit through that program that you're currently focused on or going to be shortly?
इट्स अ 21 डेज़ सेल्फ लव
Hmm.
चैलेंज।
Hmm.
फिर दिवाली का इट वाज़ 5 डेज़,
हाँ.
नॉट 21 डेज़, बिकॉज़ साइंटिफिकली इफ यू डू समथिंग, इट दैट बिकम्स
हाँ.
योर हैबिट एंड गेट एम्बॉडीड इन योरसेल्फ।
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
आई स्टार्ट विथ दैट। किसी को करना है तो वो थोड़े उसमें ही तो दे।
Correct. Hmm. 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 Correct.
तो इससे आई स्टार्ट वेबिनार, आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू इट, बट 21 डेज चैलेंज आफ्टर दैट।
So the 21-day challenge at this point for someone who's watching could be today, could be over the next couple of days. That is something that they will be able to be participate in.
यस, दे मेक देम मेंटली प्रिपेयर कि दे हैव टू
हाँ,
वर्क ऑन देमसेल्फ, एंड वर्किंग ऑन
correct.
देमसेल्फ इज नॉट सो टफ।
हाँ,
इस 21
true.
डेज चैलेंज से ये चीज बहुत इजी हो जाती है, देन दे कम टू मी आफ्टर दैट।
Nice. So now we will come to the final segment. I'm sure there'll be a few more questions, but the final segment. which is uh, what we call the journey of mentors. Right? So, as the name suggests, this is a very important part in every coach's and healer's life. And I've said this many times, and I really feel like it's important to share this, that for the first 25 episodes, this segment didn't exist, right? And I had not understood why. Because a lot of times, and you also may have come across this, a lot of times when coaches talk about their own journey, there's very little storytelling about the people who specifically came into their life at different points. It's more about मेरे पास ये सर्टिफिकेशन है और मैंने ये सर्टिफिकेशन पाया है या ये कोर्स किया है. Most often there's no story of your mentor कि you were at this point and this mentor came into your life and it changed the trajectory. Then at a later point there was another mentor who, like, you were maybe thinking about something or you were really stuck and then somebody else came in. The reason also why I'm bringing this up is you're meant to have many masters. You're meant to have many teachers at different points in your life. And we don't control that, but we only know about it after the fact. होने के बाद हमें मालूम पड़ता है कि हाँ, at this stage, when I was stuck here, this person was meant to come into my life. At a different point, I was stuck there, and that mentor was supposed to come into my life. So that is one reason why I always bring this segment up. The second, of course, is that when you share the people who have come into your life, it will help other coaches and healers who are currently at some level of stuckness. Matlab ki they may, because of how you shared or what you shared, they may be meant to meet your mentor, possibly, or it becomes a stepping stone to the actual person they're supposed to meet. So it's not necessary that it's going to be the people you're talking about, but just the ripple of you talking about the energy that you experienced with each of those mentors in your journey of mentors will create that massive ripple, which they then get to tap into, and they will unlock whatever was keeping them stuck and they move to the next level. This is my way of ensuring that we collectively are able to keep, being in that, and say that, ताकि हम लोग चलते जाए, बढ़ते जाए. And even if we get stuck, it's just actually a moment to say, and then here comes the next mentor. Boom, off to the races, and then you have the next adventure, and then the next, and the next, and the next. So that's why I'm like taking a little bit of time just to set the context up, because I really believe this is a very powerful segment. So that's why I keep it to the end. For people who stay till the end, you'll get a lot of gifts. This is a gift for that you now get to share with them, and that it literally shapes the course of their life over years to come, which you may never even get to know about directly. Or Tripti, you will have somebody who will say, Tripti, you don't know me, but I heard you talk about your journey of mentors, and that has made all the difference in my life. Right? So over to you, Tripti, and do share with us. You did mention, of course, briefly, but like maybe now in a sequence, like you're telling a story of your journey of mentors. Walk us through that.
As I told ki in the year 2022, when my mother-in-law passed away, it was a very tough time for me, literally.
Correct.
And then ad came in my life on the Facebook of Pooja Puneet. Told it again, again. And in the third attempt, I registered for the master class. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं खुद डिप्रेस थी. मैं मास्टर क्लास करती से पहले my father-in-law was detected with the arteries, 3 of the arteries blocked, 99%. And उनकी bypass surgery हुई. और अभी मुझे लगा था कि चलो I'm about to get something. Then again that thing came. It was emergency में सब कुछ हुआ, and for 1 month I have to take care of him. Then after that, Namrata Bharadwaj was the big sister in that program. She was the person, she didn't give up on me. For the 2 months she kept on calling. मैंने कहा अभी ये चल रहा है, अभी वो चल रहा है. And one day when she called me up, I was literally pissed off. And I said, and she asked me to do deep breathing from left nostril. I did that and I felt relaxed. Then I thought कि the community member, if she has such kind of knowledge and she can मतलब मेरे पे इतना असर कर सकता है इस चीज में, तो फिर mentor का क्या
Correct.
होगा?
Correct.
Then in December, I joined for the Awakening program. I did also. And then I went ahead for the enlightenment. For that, I have to take a pause क्योंकि अब इतना हो गया था कि I was little now I was feeling happy. I was feeling happy, relieved, and थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे. Then my husband asked me to think upon it. We were going on a vacation for the 10 days abroad. Then he said कि take your time. हरी में नहीं करो, ऐसे ही नहीं है. I took that time for 10 days. And he said me, the soon we will come back, you tell me कि I'm ready, I'm gonna pay for
हाँ.
it. But take your time.
Mm.
And those 10 days in Vietnam, I was only praying to God, I have to go for the enlightenment. Awakening में जो मुझे वो रोशनी मिली थी, जो मुझे करेज और जो मुझे एक एक जॉय मिला था और एक ग्राउंड मिला था, वो मैं समझ
Correct.
चुकी थी. Then I did enlightenment. It was the 3 months program. From there, my healing started because every week we used to cover one goddess, and a lot of release work was there. So many sheets, accountability meets up, breakout rooms, and each and everything. So ऐसे
Correct.
ही healing हुआ. I have done. वही मैंने accountability partner choose किया 5 a.m. in the morning. Then I went for the retreat in Chennai. No, sorry, I didn't went. I couldn't go. But I came to know about coaching certification program. Again, I contacted to Namrata Bharadwaj. I asked, and she said कि whatever you feel like, put your hand on your heart and say, ask me क्या चाहता है. I said no. I just want to go ahead because I'm the eldest in my family, eldest daughter. बहुत सारे लोग
Right.
हैं, and I'm always there helping. Coach feeling मेरे अंदर वो चीज है. Then I asked my husband, and he said कि again a course. मैंने कहा yes, again a course. Then again, I have to cross one challenge.
Right.
I did that superficially. He paid for that. And I entered coaching. And my confidence boost up when in one practice I have to take the chapter of limiting belief. And I have to make my one of the friend practice.
Right.
And the feedback she gave me, I never knew that I can do so well.
बिल्कुल.
And Pooja Puneet was the mentor. मतलब एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी वाला उन्होंने मेरे को वो मैं हमेशा सोल टू सोल मैं ये उनसे वो करती हूँ
हाँ.
करके. Last night also, suddenly she came in my thoughts. I could see her and I said कि she's blessing me.
हाँ.
So extraordinary because she understood what am I going through and what my story is and what I make my pain points and everything. I used to raise my hand in every session. If I was known Tripti Agarwal, she will be there asking. And she has been helping me, teaching me,
Right.
and giving me immense love, which I was looking for. Self love क्या होता है मैंने वहां से जाना. Then
Right.
then I went for the retreat. There I decided for super specialization. कि I'm gonna launch myself.
Nice.
So that was my journey with her. Then her program Goddess Verse, Sister Verse, that I keep on doing. मैंने किए भी. Then as I told, I was a big sister. Amita Shirode, she was my client. Then she became my mentor. I became her
Nice.
student.
Amazing.
Then from there, Sonia Sharma, she came in my life. कि जब टैरो में कर रही थी मेरा इंटरेस्ट बहुत आया उसके अंदर. And then I did that 2 days tarot program from morning till evening. Then I realized कि हाँ prediction नहीं है. Inner child healing and everything I'm gonna club both the things, life coaching and tarot, because people need guidance also. And 90% ट्रू, जब वो मेरी एक क्वेश्चन पे शी कैन डू सो वेल, तो लोगों को आजकल वो पंडित और वो सारी चीजें हैं, बट वी डोंट डू प्रिडिक्शंस, वी डोंट से, वी डोंट एडवाइस, बट वी ओनली गिव गाइडेंस इज प्रोवाइडेड इन टैरो. तो आई एम करंट मतलब इन हर कम्युनिटी. देन मैंने जैसे बताया कि रीडिंग में मेरी थोड़ी सी तबीयत खराब होने लगी. Sonal, one of my friends, she was in the community of Ritu Agarwal. Then she sent me the link of masterclass. I attended
Right.
that. From there, I went for the silver. From silver to diamond. And yes, energies are elevated. What she says, she is doing that. She tells us कि you are the energy queen. जो tools and techniques सिखाते हैं, सारा हम कर रहे हैं और वो वाकई में एनर्जी रेज कर रहा है. This is
Right.
my office actually. From the person
Nice.
who was struggling for
Right.
love and everything, and now she has her own personal space.
Beautiful.
So that's what a proof that. And I've been called as a manifestation queen also. My friends
Mm,
call me that because the life which I dreamt of, whatever I think,
correct.
because intentions are very pure. So this is my journey of my mentors.
Right. Beautiful. Wow. As I had promised, and literally we hit the 10001 mark as I said that.
Okay.
So thank you for really trusting yourself. Thank you for trusting yourself beyond your conscious mind, and thank you for trusting this space. It's not just me, it's everything that has come together that is the iHypnosis life coaching journeys. You went so deep and you shared so freely with all of your heart. That is what makes this what it is. I always consider myself to be, and this is my prayer always, that may I continue to be the vessel of your love, healing, and transformation, which means I'm talking to something that's beyond me. We don't really even have words to describe it, but we know the feeling or the sense of it, right? So today was a beautiful reminder to me that this is truly an honor to have been able to meet you like this. And not just for me, not just for my selfish self, but for the world. And that your message gets to go out and ripple out. And I really do believe this, that it's not, and I'm sure you know this also, it's not about the views or the likes or whatever. Yes, those are vanity metrics. Literally, they call vanity metrics for a reason. It's really the intention. And when two souls, when two people are aligned to that common mission, then it's just ripples out into the world. And you have again reminded me of why I do what I do. So I really truly want to thank you for doing what you do, for most importantly being who you are. I really
Thank you
do
so much. Can I add one
appreciate you and
that
recognize you.
people get some kind of insight? जैसे
Mm-hmm.
कि लोग जिंदगी में कहते हैं कि घर में ये काम है, वो काम है, हम नहीं जा सकते, ये नहीं कर
Mm,
सकते, सेशन
mm,
अटेंड नहीं कर सकते। तो उसके
correct.
लिए मेरा एग्जांपल सविता सा है कि व्हेन आई हैड
Mm-hmm.
टू गो फॉर द रिट्रीट ऑफ पूजा पुनीत इन
Mm,
चेन्नई, इट वाज
mm,
माय मदर इन लॉ श्राद्ध and my flight was of 8 a.m. in the morning and I have to do. I woke up at 4 a.m. I prepared all the things, जो सब्जी
mm,
पूरी जो खीर वीर
mm,
है, and at 6:30 I had called a panditani to come and eat. Thankfully she came, and from there I went, not the direct flight I got. From there I went to Patna, then from Patna to Chennai, and I reached at 6 p.m. in the evening,
huh,
and it started at 8 p.m. that event, to just meet Pooja Puneet, to enjoy that retreat, to elevate my energies, to meet my friends. That was the barrier. I broke that day.
mm.
Doing so much ki except family, rituals,
Mm,
occasions,
mm,
chores, nothing was there in my life. And from there I did this, and I reached there. And I enjoyed thoroughly myself. Thanks to my husband also for
of
being so
course.
supportive to me. And every retreat, this retreat I went to Ritu Agarwal, and I got injury in my shoulder, but I went.
Mm,
I went for therapies, painkiller.
mm,
There, I
mm,
was holding my hand because I was not allowed to move it. And I was doing like I was standing.
mm,
She came and she said, I love because she knew how much pain I have. I was about to cancel because I was not allowed by the doctor to go.
mm,
But my physiotherapist said, ki, मतलब 3 times you have to take the painkiller and promise
huh,
me you won't move your hand.
mm,
And my husband was like, कि, अकेले कैसे जा? I went and I
mm,
said, चलो आप लोग भी चलो. वहाँ 2 दिन retreat करके we'll
right.
enjoy the vacation. And this idea worked so well. My son, he went me to drop at the hotel.
Huh,
4 of us we went,
huh,
and my pain literally till the evening was so high कि tears were in my eyes.
right.
I can show you the pictures. I'm at the front row, and maximum pictures have been captured on my mind. ये होना चाहिए, तभी आप ज़िंदगी में चीज़ें ब्रेक करते हैं इसी तरीके से। पूजा को नहीं रिट्रीट आई वेंट 2 टाइम्स। हर बार कुछ ना
Mm,
कुछ ऐसा ही चीज़
mm,
हुआ है। मैं समझ गई हूँ जैसे कल I was not feeling well. I
हुँ,
had to take medicine, lie down, everything. तो
हुँ,
now it had made मैंने इसको बना लिया है कि ये रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा कुछ होने वाला है,
करेक्ट,
बहुत अच्छा कुछ होने वाला है। तो
राइट।
ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो जो ये सोच के बैठ जाते हैं,
हुँ,
मेरे पास भी बहुत काम है। आई बिलॉन्ग टू अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली, हमारे
राइट,
यहाँ
राइट,
बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं।
करेक्ट।
बट किया है, भले ही
हुँ,
4 घंटा सोई हूँ पढ़ने के लिए, लेकिन
हुँ,
किया है। वो पैशन बना तो वो ही आज काम
हुँ,
आ रहा है।
करेक्ट।
तो आपके पास एक्सक्यूज़ेज़ बहुत, आपके
हुँ,
पास डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, लेकिन आप कर सब कुछ उम, अगर मैं ये कर पाई,
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
तो आप भी कर सकते।
Beautiful. What a lovely way to wrap it with a bow and a bow tie, so to speak. So beautifully आपने इसको you like put it together just to remind people कि हर एक का purpose होता है, and when you allow yourself to connect to that, that's when miracles happen, because then every moment is you breathing that miracle. So once again, Tripti, thank you for
थैंक
taking
यू।
the time. Thank you for sharing so freely, so beautifully with all your heart. And I know I will not be surprised कि आगे जाके over the years when people will suddenly surprise you, maybe on a day when you're very happy, or maybe on a day where we're all human, we have the yin and the yang, maybe on a day where you're more sort of pensive, more reflective, and there'll be this message that says, Trupti, thank you. It may just be those two words, but somewhere you'll know कि हाँ, हो सकता है what Rahul was saying so long back, or maybe the other day. So, really wish you all the best on your journey. May you continue to do what you do. May you continue to be more of who you are meant to be, because you're already being that every day. That's what I'll say for now, for, you know, uh,
थैंक
for
यू
the
सो मच
moment.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थैंक यू सो मच बिकॉज़ यू मेक द अदर पर्सन रियलाइज़ हू दे आर एक्चुअली।
Thank you. Thank you for saying
येस,
that.
वेरी गुड थिंग यू आर डूइंग। येस, बिकॉज़ हम जानते होते हैं, लेकिन इतना डीप बातें करते-करते पता नहीं कितनी सारी चीज़ें आई हैव कम अक्रॉस। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर क्रिएटिंग दिस प्लेटफॉर्म एंड मेकिंग अस रियलाइज़ कि
Mm,
व्हाट जेम वी हैव बिकम। एंड इन द एंड I'll always remember this advice of yours because it's very important. But
mm,
one thing I have learned in my life कि whatever crops up, just say कि I accept you and I release you.
mm,
I accept you, I release you.
beautiful.
चलते फिरते उठते बैठते anything comes in my life, I say I accept you and I release you.
Amazing.
But I'll remember what you said, and thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
thank you,
you.
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. First of all, again, it's my rebirth. It's my birthday. Actual birthday. It is a birthday. Yes. Thank you so much.
And of course, this would be incomplete if not for, like I said, अगर हम लोग टुक टुक या ऑटो है, तीन पहिए होते हैं. So the third is all those amazing spirits and souls who have asked for this, which is why we are doing this, which is why they get to receive it. हम लोग it's like we are the vessels that are resonating it because they are asking for it. And so this goes out to each of you who's out there listening to this, watching this at whatever point in your life. And, truly thank you for tuning in. And of course, it goes without saying, you reached this point because you connected with Tripti, you connected with her energy, and you know that there's something special that's already happened. And so, for those of you who want to continue, as I said at the beginning, and I'm now repeating it, that make sure that you follow along. The links are tagged below. Follow along, reach out to her, and I'm sure, whatever you're meant to receive, you will receive through her and, of course, with her. And one final note to each of you that's out there as a coach, a healer, or a seeker, just remember that you are special. That's why you're here. That's why you're receiving this message. And lastly, as always, remember to live your purpose. So once more, Tripti, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's been an absolutely beautiful experience that I have had personally, and it's beautiful to see how this will manifest, because dunya goal, what goes around. I always say what goes around comes back tenfold.
Definitely, it Dwana, and thank you so much. Even you don't know कि what आप कितना अच्छा, I have no words for you. You the energy you carry, the simplicity you carry, the comfort you give. Your aura is so dynamic. Thank you so much for that.
Thank
Even
you.
I have written 3 lines जो मैंने बोली ही अब ये खत्म करके मैंने कहा मैं आपको ही बता देती हूँ कि मेरे अंदर एक छोटा-सा एक पोएट भी है कि
हाँ,
सुनाने अपनी कहानी, आई
हाँ,
हूँ अपनी ज़ुबानी,
हाँ,
खोया था मैंने खुद को जहाँ पे, पाया
हाँ.
है मैंने खुद को वहीं से।
Oof, amazing, right? So very deep, right? So thank you. Amazing. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you there. Look forward to absolutely.
Just surrender yourself, drop all your worries,
Mm,
stress, and go in a very
mm,
transformative manner.
mm,
Become you who you are.
beautiful. I will now, of course, pause. So hang on for a few seconds. We're still in, it's not the live, but it's the recording. So I'll just close that. It'll take about a second or two, and then we'll have our final chat for the moment. So for those of you who happen to be sort of like getting the behind the scenes of the pod, thank you once again for sticking around. We've all done that. You're in a retreat or a program or even a class. You kind of are like one of the last few people to leave. If you're here, with us right now, it just means you're one of us. And I wish you all the best. And Tripti, of course, I wish you all the best in all the amazing transformations that you're creating and that you're receiving now and in the days to come. And having said all of that,
Thank you so
remember to live your purpose. God bless. And of course, we will be back with more pods. We are constantly keeping our channels open to find amazing guests so that this journey of goodness continues on and that you, as a healer and coach, continue to be inspired to keep showing up so that you can be the miracle that you really are. So,
Thank
till
you for
we
giving me
meet again, go ahead.
confidence because my dream is to come up in TEDx as
It
a
is done.
speaker. So today I
So, I'll,
literally got some glimpse कि हाँ वहाँ क्योंकि I have seen that
correct.
videos and all कि ऐसे
Yeah.
बोलते हैं वैसे बोल
Yeah.
ये हमारे यहाँ प्रैक्टिस भी स्टोरी की कराया जा
Correct.
रहा है which I came to know and today I was getting some kind of confidence yes I can do.
So I'll say it again because sometimes we tend to go into our heads. That's why we're human. As I heard you say it, what I heard was it is done.
Okay,
ये
thank
हो
you.
चुका है.
I got
Right? So thank you all once again, and we will be back, of course, with more.
yeah.
Take care.
Thank you
God bless.
everyone.
Of course,
Thank
as
you.
always, remember to live your purpose. Take care.
Yes,
Bye bye.
thank you. Thank you. You too. Take care. Thank you.